Hi, this is Bob Maxwell with R.A. Maxwell and Associates, and we're so excited to welcome a new manufacturer to our company. We're partnering now with Thompson Machinery from Australia. R.A. Maxwell and Associates has been selected as the U.S. distributor for Thompson parts. So if any of you out there have Thompson machines already in your plants, David, our parts manager, would love to talk to you about your Thompson parts. Also, we sell a full line of bandsaw blades now for all the different models that are out there. So again, if you have bandsaws and you'd like some great prices on bandsaw blades, please give David a call here, and he can give you pricing and quantities. So this month we're featuring several machines from Thompson Machinery. The first one that we want to feature is our MK6, which is a bandsaw, very similar to the AEW saw. So 5 horsepower brake motor, upper and lower emergency stop. So you have one at eye level, and then you also have a kick button in case your hands get in trouble. And then it has, it's all stainless steel, and it's high speed, over 7,000 feet per minute. Typical bandsaw runs about 4,000 feet per minute. Very, very similar to the AEW saw. AEW sells their saw for around $14,700. This month, Thompson has authorized us to put out a promotion on the MK6. So right now we're offering that saw at $9,995. The regular price on that is $12,995. So that's a $3,000 savings on an incredible bandsaw. Very quiet, virtually no vibration, just a very, very solid bandsaw. So please take a look at that. We're also featuring the Thompson Flaker. We've always sold a lot of flakers, especially to the pet food industry. Frozen product is a lot less expensive than fresh product. It holds up, obviously, in the freezer. So when the market is down, it's a great time to buy the product, save on the money, and then, of course, it stores very well. The problem is that once it's frozen, getting it out and getting it into a grinder, a lot of times companies have to put them on their docks for 24 hours. Then you get a problem with maybe too warm on the outside, too cold on the inside. Some put them in their coolers to defrost, and when that happens, again, it takes a long time, takes up a lot of storage space, and then you get these warm spots and these cold spots. So if you're able to take it right out of the freezer, put it into a flaker, what a flaker does is it breaks that block down into small pieces, probably about 3 inches long and about a ½ inch wide. After it goes through the flaking process, then they generally go right into some sort of a conveyor, a screw conveyor or a flighted conveyor, and take the flaked product right up into a grinder or a mixer grinder. Okay, so these are smaller pieces, makes it easy to grind. So you want to take a look at that Thompson Flaker this month. Got a great price on it. It's got a lot of safety features that I know that you'll like. Very similar to the GMC Hydro Flaker that's made here in the United States. The Thompson is priced a little better, and they have a lot more safety features, which I think you'll find important. The other machines that we are featuring is our line of mixer grinders. Now, Thompson is worldwide well known for their mixer grinders. They've been making them over 30 years. They used to make them under the brand Holomatic. So if you have an old Holomatic 3000, that's a Thompson mixer grinder. But about 10 years ago or so, Rod, the owner of Thompson, decided that he wanted to start marketing his own brand internationally. And so he severed the relationship with Holomatic and started marketing Thompson brand itself. Now he's in several countries, been in the United States well over 30 years. Just a high quality, wonderful pieces of equipment. So one of the machines that we're featuring this month is the model 900. That model is a small model, holds probably about 140, 150 pounds in the hopper. Great mixer grinder for the small grocery stores, small mom and pop type operations. The other machines that we're featuring is the model 2000, 3000, and 5000. Now the 2000 is the latest and greatest mixer grinder from Thompson. We just introduced it last week at the AMP show back in Kansas City. What we found is that our 3000 model was a little too big for the medium size or the high volume type grocery stores or meat markets. But the 900 was a little too small. So Rod's team has been working the last couple of years on this model 2000. It was a huge hit at the AMP show. We sold 4 at the show last week. And so please take a look at that 2000. I think it'll really fit in. It's got a great niche market out there. Then of course our 3000. The 3000 has been the bread and butter of Thompson Machinery for many, many years. Outstanding grinder, put tremendous output for the size of the footprint of the grinder. Comes in a 7 and a 12 horsepower motor. And then we have our 5000 model that we're featuring, and that's for your larger processors. So take a look at that. All right, so that's what's on our list for this month. We thank you all for taking your time and looking at the different items. Another feature that we're going to be starting next month in our monthly newsletter is we're going to be working with a couple of professors, one at Ohio State, and another professor, and they're in the meat science labs at their universities, and they place different training classes, both live at the schools, and also they're starting some online courses. These would be things like HACCP programs, food safety, ingredient mixing, different things to do with food science. So we're going to start promoting their programs, and that way if you have any interest in any of those classes, feel free to contact them direct. But we'll be featuring some of their articles in the upcoming newsletters. So thanks again. Hope you're having a great day, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye now.